So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my not so old and certainly not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD edition. Once again, I'm streaming on the Kick service and recording locally, and I'm back on Pop OS Cosmic. And before I will continue, let me show you the system information. First, I will use the GUI. I will open up the Cosmic settings, Then I will go to System and Accounts and About. And as you can see here, it's Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, 16 GB of RAM, AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, the CPU. The GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, and it has 1 TB of SSD storage. The version of Pop OS, it's 24.04, Cosmic Wayland. And now, using the terminal, Pop OS 24.0.04 LTS, FIS cell, native screen resolution of 2560 by 1600, running at 165 Hz. However, I'm streaming and recording at full HD basically at 25 FPS. Cosmic version is 1.0.0, Wayland, AMD CPU, NVIDIA GPU, yada yada. You can pause the stream and take your time and watch the system information, or do the same when I will have the YouTube video on my YouTube channel ready later in the day. Anyway, I haven't had the time to complete what I had in mind for today, but still, maybe you have noticed it already. As you can see, I have changed the mouse cursor exactly like I did on Ubuntu and basically on Garuda Linux, the same thing. However, I haven't yet accomplished the same thing that I did with Ubuntu, to be able to create basically your own mouse cursors. I'm sure it's possible, but I haven't got the chance to complete this task yet. But anyway, other than that, I try to understand better the way that the theming works in this system. Yeah, Cosmic, it's a mess. I can't stress this enough. If you have real work to do, if you have real gaming to do, anything real related stuff to do, please don't use Cosmic. Not on Pop OS, and most probably not on any other system. Clearly work under heavy progress. It gets updates, yes, but you can see so many cracks and tears and openings and holes and this and that in the beautiful looks. Anyway, otherwise maybe you can see the colors of the system and so on, the top panel, the dock. Yeah, still not heavy customized as I like it to be, but it is what it is. As you can see, this is the deal. And I have mentioned this before. At least I'm not getting, because I was afraid that I will be getting application crashing, like for example doing stuff in Kdenlive or whatever, you know, on heavy duty stuff, let's just say. No problem. It's like, okay, you can do work, but I'm not sure. Let's just say I'm not sure, because Usually I get weird hang-ups on the applications, but not crashes. But on the other hand, I haven't done anything crazy with it. Anyway, back on the OBS streaming and recording, today I went and enabled the GPU. Hopefully, the GPU encoder that is. Hopefully, things appear to be just fine on the stream. Let me check out my stream at the moment and see how it responds so far. Okay, seemingly I can see that it works. Hopefully the recording does work too. Seemingly I can... Good. Okay. Let's just say good. And also, let's just open a few apps to check out the load of the system, how it will react, because I didn't do this at all, not by myself or on stream. Let's just open up the apps that I have on the dock. Let's move them around a bit and see how the system will respond by having the apps, plenty of apps open. System monitor, I wanted this one. Let's just put it here. Okay, I can hear the system fans ramping up. Emoji picker, let's just put this one here too. However, unlike the other systems, I don't have installed the game, the Final Fantasy XIV. I don't have that installed, so I can't really judge the system while the game is running and the apps too. But yeah, we'll see how it responds with the apps. Do I have the test ready? Maybe I do. Where is it? Here it is, okay. I think I removed it already. Okay, this one loaded. Let's try to open up something on... yeah, this is silly. These are like tiny, so tiny. Amazing. Anyway, let's continue. Let's open up this one, for example. Okay, so it seems that yeah, it has plenty of space to use while you have many apps open, but it doesn't do it correctly, I must say. It's not a nice graphical solution to find quickly the app that you want, at least in my opinion. But yeah, at least the system doesn't choke itself. It handles things quite well. It uses about 8 gigabytes of RAM at the moment. Not bad. Yeah, seems nice. It's like okay. Yeah, and hopefully, as I said, the GPU recording and streaming works just fine. What else? Yeah, I don't want to do anything else with it. Let's just open up the YouTube channel. And also I noticed a good thing today. This is a first. I will show you again, because I complained about this. I have my browser minimized, and when I bring it back, it pops back on the proper screen position. So I guess some of the updates that they have been doing, they work. I guess, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's see with another app. Let's minimize, for example, GIMP. Let's minimize system monitor and bring them back. Okay. Yeah, seemingly it behaves well now, but I can't be sure. I don't know if it's a fluke now or not, but at least it's better now. Okay, I will do the same with few more apps, random. I just click few apps in some random order. Let's bring them back. Okay. Yeah, seemingly they fixed this bug, because it will restore the apps at any random place or something. Seemingly random, I'm not sure. Anyway, I guess that's a good news. That's a good news, I guess. Yeah, I'm very tired. I don't want to drag this any longer. I will just stop it here. I think this was the last day using the system. In the guide I will show you how I have managed once again to do all this customization, these changes in the system, including the mouse cursors, of course. And then you can improve, if you will bother yourselves using the system, then you will improve and do whatever you want with the guide information, so to speak. Hopefully things will be better for you. Personally, I think I will wave this system goodbye and I will not use it for quite some time. Maybe in some release that will be good enough, serious enough, in order for me to give it another go. I don't know, maybe in a few months, half a year, we will see. It depends how well they will be doing their upgrade cycles and whatever. And yeah, but as you know, I'm a stubborn dementia riddle has been, so maybe I will use it, I don't know, in a month from now. Anyway, I think this was it for today. Thank you for everything, as always. Thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye.